A heart murmur in dogs is a noise that is produced by the flow of blood through the heart that is heard during a physical exam. Heart murmurs in dogs can range from innocent and benign to severe and life-threatening, depending on the underlying cause. Some common causes of heart murmurs in dogs include congenital heart disease, valve disease, and heartworm disease. Symptoms of a heart murmur in dogs may include weakness, lethargy, coughing, difficulty breathing, and fainting. If your dog is diagnosed with a heart murmur, your veterinarian may recommend further testing such as chest X-rays, electrocardiogram, and echocardiogram. Treatment options for heart murmurs in dogs may include medications to manage symptoms, lifestyle changes, and surgery in more severe cases. Regular checkups with your veterinarian can help detect heart murmurs early and improve your dog's prognosis. It's important to follow your veterinarian's recommendations for managing your dog's heart murmur and to monitor your dog's symptoms closely. With proper management and care, many dogs with heart murmurs can still lead happy and healthy lives. Prevention is key when it comes to heart murmurs in dogs, so it's important to keep your dog's heart healthy with regular exercise and a balanced diet. Be sure to keep up with your dog's heartworm prevention medication to reduce the risk of heartworm disease, which is a common cause of heart murmurs. Screening is vital for predisposed breeds like Cavalier King Charles Spaniels or Boxers. Remember that not all heart murmurs are serious or require treatment, so it's important to work closely with your veterinarian to determine the best course of action for your dog. Educate yourself about heart murmurs in dogs and ask your veterinarian any questions you may have about your dog's health.